again. I'm doing a little bit more to this one before putting oil paint on. I wanted to explain some, well actually, to be honest, I wanted to use up that paint I put out, but also I thought it's useful to maybe have some more paint on there before working with oil. Okay, and so there's the Payne's Grey. I'm going to use watered down Payne's Grey with my eyes half closed. I'm going to put it in places on the Sweet Pea where I think I want to put some yellow ochre into that actually, because it seems to me it's a little bit cool. I have a whole palette going on here vertically. Never done that before actually, but it's fine. In fact, it's quite a good idea, I find, for the videos, I suppose. You know, it makes it easier to see the colours and everything. Sorry, I'm probably mumbling. Right. Yeah, it might be a good idea if I had a bit more space. Right, so what I wanted to do was to warm up the Payne's Grey and touch with the yellow ochre. And put the grey in to the Sweet Pea whites. And in between those, I'm going to have some of the red background coming through. I'm being a little bit careless. Well, careless isn't true. I'm just being, I'm extending over the edge so that I've got something to say with the oil paint. You know, something to react to respond to when I go to put the oil paint on. I mean, really, the white is significantly darker than it is in real life now. Making that Payne's Grey, I don't know, it's made it very, very dark, where actually it's almost the lightest part of the thing. So I could lift off a little bit. I just wanted to have an underpainting where I could let the lights on the flowers sing out a little more, you know. It feels better now that I've lifted it off a touch with the damp cloth. And I just put some Payne's Grey on that cloth in order to let that white flower make it similar in tone to the others. Okay, I'd say that's about it really. I mean, I could probably put some more tone elsewhere too. It's time to take that lady out, as you can imagine. Payne's Grey mixed with the crimson. Shush music. Payne's Grey mixed with the crimson is quite good actually, for that dark colour. Okay, so I've left myself something to do with the oil. It's not all explained. My brushes are in water. I'm just going to take her out for a wander. Okay, maybe here's better. Nice to see you all. Okay, take care. Bye.